Welcome back. Well, Acadiana's weather looks absolutely perfect over the next week to 10 days. We could use some rain, but we're going to be on the dry side of things. But it's better than the alternative of tropical activity in the southern Gulf that's heading for Florida. So let's take a look at this infrared water vapor imagery here, and you can see the massive amount of dry air across the northern Gulf of Mexico, also spreading southward into the western Gulf of Mexico. And we'll see if some of this drier air eventually gets into this system as it gets closer to Florida. But the good news, at least in the near term, this hurricane is leveled off. It went down as low as 887 millibars and certainly up from that right now. So there's the picture out in the Gulf of Mexico. You see the showers in radar range across Florida, just some shower activity, but that will be getting much more active within 36 to 48 hours. So here's the infrared satellite imagery over the last 12 hours, and you can see it's been pretty much moving due easterly, wobbling a little bit more. We had a 4-mile wide diameter eye that wound up seeing another eye developing around it, and once it gets down too small, it can't maintain itself, so an outer eye wall develops. That's at 24 miles, and then that begins to constrict. But in the interim, this means the storm is weakened a little bit, down to only 165 mile per hour winds, but still a Category 5 pressure, as we said, was below 900 millibars, now up to 914. So it's come up appreciably going through that eye wall replacement cycle. And look how close it is to the Yucatan Peninsula. So that may be impacting the storm, especially through the overnight hours, and maybe a little further weakening will be possible. Cat 5s don't stay Cat 5s for very long. The National Hurricane Center has it going for 24 hours. We'll see if that verifies or not. And then we expect some dry air to get into the system, but by that time it's going to be a large system. Tropical storm force winds covering the entire Florida peninsula, and in between there's going to be a swath of about 70 to 80 miles of damaging winds, Category 3 perhaps winds or higher in gusts. But right now Hurricane Center has a Category 3 prior to landfall, and that's going to be, looks like, Wednesday night. Again, hurricane warnings covering much of the Sunshine State, tropical storm warnings elsewhere. Hurricane watches on the east coast of Florida, they may get upgraded to hurricane warnings because this thing will be moving across the entire peninsula, but it's going to be hauling. And when I show you the model coming up in just a bit, storm surge, last storm, Helene, record-breaking storm surge in Tampa Bay. This time it's probably going to be twice as high. The way things are looking at 10 to 15 feet. It was in the 7 to 8 foot range on the last storm, and you can see very high surge values all the way down through Fort Myers, still reeling from just Hurricane Ian just 2 years ago. Here's the latest graph model with the latest Hurricane Center forecast track, and boy, does this look spot on. As the storm gains latitude, it looks to maybe try to get a little bit more, it's certainly going to get bigger, and it's still looking pretty intense. And again, the Hurricane Center forecast track getting close to the coast as we head into Wednesday evening. The graph model a little bit behind it, but you see on the visualization as we go into Wednesday night, Thursday morning, hurricane conditions impacting Florida. And look at this, by noon it's off the coast, so it'll be racing across the Florida peninsula pretty quickly with better weather to return for Thursday. As for winds, you can see those winds, hurricane force winds in the white, those are 100-mile-an-hour winds. As they move inland during the course of Wednesday night, you'll see those high winds, maybe wind gusts over hurricane force in the Orlando area as well. So you want to get well north of this system and don't go too much farther to the south, because you could get pretty nasty rain bands on the southern end of this tropical system as well. And again, those hurricane force winds just about offshore by 6 o'clock in the morning. Again, that's the latest run of the graph model. Temperature wise, we couldn't ask for better. Low to mid 60s tonight, upper 50s off to the north, and lots of sunshine in the forecast for Acadiana tomorrow. Readings getting into the mid 80s for an afternoon high. And then tomorrow night, cooling off down into the 50s. A little bit of a cash lag right here, but you see us getting into the mid to upper 50s for Wednesday morning. So finally feeling like October, and then mid 80s for Wednesday afternoon. And might not be done with 90 degrees quite yet, but we'll take the cooler weather in the near term. So a beautiful evening out there tonight. A little bit of a north-northeast breeze as well. Then for tomorrow, we'll go 84, 85 the high with wall-to-wall sun, a nice breeze, and comfortable humidity as well. We deserve this for sure. Mid to upper 80s as we round out the week. week. Could see close to 90 degrees Friday, Saturday, lower 90s Monday. Next front, though, arrives by Tuesday. And look at this, even cooler temperatures. But for now, no rain in our immediate future. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more coming up a little bit later on.